join 5 mm 20 strips. Make a tight coil. Here I am using blue and green combination. Now here I am making peacock petal. Here I am using 4 colors of 2 strips. I am using half of strip, dark blue, sky blue, orange and green. I am using half of strip and take a 5 mm half strip and cut it as shown in the video. Complete it. And wrap it to the tight coil. Make some more and connect with one another. Attach the tight coil totally. Now the Rakhi is ready. Now take a red color thread and attach gum on that Rakhi and attach it. And Rakhi is ready. Peacock model Rakhi. Join 5 mm 15 strips. Join 13 strips of yellow color and 2 strips of green color. Now join 5 mm 1 strip and make a tight coil. Make some more. Apply glue on it and attach tight coil to the another tight coils as shown in the video. Complete it. Now join 5 mm 5 strips. Here I am using 2 strips of pink color, 2 strips of green color and 1 strip of yellow color. Make 2. Take a 5 mm strip and wrap it as shown in the video. Now attach flowers and tight coils on that strip. As shown in the video, and attach tight coils. Now cut the excess. Now take a thread. It will be available in all puja stores. Attach this flower petal to the thread. Now take a 2 mm strip of red color and wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making letters. Now make a R shape. As shown in the video. Plug glue in the middle to make a R shape. Cut the excess. Make the shape neatly. Make another letters also as shown in the video. Here I am making bro word and attach on the Rakhi. Same process used for another letters also. Now the Rakhi is ready. of sky blue color. Erasing two strips of blue color, dark blue, and make a teardrop shape. Little bend it. Now join 5 mm half strip of pink color and make a tight coil. Make 2 orange color and pink color tight coils. Apply glue around the tight coil and attach the small tight coil around the tight coil. Complete it. Now join 5 mm 3 strips of dark blue color. Make 2. Now attach the tight coils to the big tight coil. Now attach small tight coils. Now here I am prepared some letters. Here you can paste your brother name. Here I am making Krishna letter word. Now take a strip and wrap it. It is up to you to write the name. You can write your brother name on the Rakhi and attach glue and attach and cut the excess. Now take a thread and attach on the thread. Now the Rakhi is ready. Join 5 mm 25 strips of red color. Here I am using 2 strips of dark green color, total 25 strips. Now join 5 mm 1 strip of yellow color. Make a tight coils, some more. Now attach around a tight coil as shown in the video. Complete it. Now take a 2 mm strip and wrap it. And wrap it in and make a design in a Om shape as shown in the video. Make a Om shape. Now again take 1 strip and wrap it and make a design of Om. Now connect with one another. Now attach Om on the Rakhi. Now add small tight coil to half strip. Now take a red color thread and apply glue on that tight coil and attach it. Now the Rakhi is ready. Now join 5 mm 25 strips. Here I am using 23 strips of yellow color and 2 strips of red color. teardrop shape. Make some more and connect to the tight coil around. Complete it. Swastik design with a swastik shape. Now the swastik is ready. Attach swastik on the tight coil. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now the Rakhi is ready. Now take a red color thread and attach the design tight coil on that. Now the swastik Rakhi is also ready.